Hello guys, welcome back to Making It My Way. Today we will show you how to make banana flour pakoras. Yes, this is banana flour. As you can see, I have already used the flour parts and now this is the top part. So this is 150 grams of banana flour and you will have to finely chop it, and then you will have to add one by one all the ingredients. First we will add 5 to 6 chopped green chilies and this special paste. To make the masala paste, we will need 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 inch of ginger, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, a medium sized onion, 4 to 5 chilies, black pepper seeds almost 10 to 12, and we will have to mix it into a fine paste. So next, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to your taste, 50 grams of gram flour, 25 gram of rice flour, or you can use corn flour. You can also add garam masala if you want. I'm skipping the step. People either use the whole flour or they throw away the top part. They mostly think this is the useless part, but I am giving the recipe to use the top part. And next time when you have this banana flour at home, do not throw it and give this recipe a chance. This really tastes good. So now mix all the things together into a sticky paste like consistency, and do not add water. Banana flour will release some water during mixing. Keep the batter aside, and after some time if you think the batter is too tight, you can add water. Now heat up the oil. Now into the hot oil add the pakora batter as per your desired size. Fry from both sides till they turn golden brown. Once you are satisfied with the color and crispness of the pakoras, remove them from the oil, and lastly sprinkle some black salt or black pepper, or you can also sprinkle some chaat masala on them. For written recipe, check the link in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Next time when you have banana flour at home, definitely give this recipe a try. If you have enjoyed the recipe, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. I will be back with new interesting videos next time. Till then, bye. Take care.